All right, in this video, we're going to do a workflow that will tag your orders based on the UTM codes in the URL. So here's an example of a URL here, right? You've got your standard Google Analytics-style UTM codes. And so here's how it works. Here's how it works. First, let me jump over to the order detail page to show you what it'll look like in here. So it'll show this conversion summary stuff. You click into that. It's a little bit confusing, right? Because I guess this is the first session. If you click view full sessions, it'll show you some stuff. It'll say no UTM. Return one. I guess this is the first session. I guess this is the last session, I think. So you click there, and that's where we're seeing those codes there, right? All right. Now, one other weird thing, just in case you run into weird stuff troubleshooting this, I want to point it out ahead of time. You're supposed to also see that in the landing site, which in this case, the testing I did, it actually didn't have any of the UTM codes in there. Maybe that's because the first visit from my tests didn't. Maybe that's what that is. Not entirely sure. And then the last thing somebody told me as I was trying to troubleshoot this, I'm going through all of the problems before I get to the good part, but was this report also is supposed to show sales attributed to marketing here, and it does not show up here either. So a little bit weird, but anyways, it does work using the GraphQL. All right. So triggering on order created. Here's the code that is grabbing it over GraphQL using this stuff here, customer journey summary, first visit, last visit. It ends up showing up on the last visit in this guy. All right. But you can just use a template. You don't have to write all that code. And then, so basically what we're just doing is here's this particular variable is going to give us the UTM campaign. And of course, you've got the source, the medium, the campaign, and stuff like that. So I'm looking at the campaign and I want to make sure it equals test. And then if it does, I'm going to go ahead and tag the order. So that's the idea. And then here's the test that I had run. Conditions passed, added the tag. And then this gives you a nice little convenient quick link to the order there in the admin. And hopefully that'll have that there. So that's how that works. Lots of cool use cases you can use that for. I hope that is helpful. Feel free to install that template. Let us know if you'd like any help getting her set up. Cheers.